I never hear what they happen say Natasha don't go apologize to Akpabio. You don't go apologize to Akpabio, my people, that's what we see him. I like people to watch this by our brother video, Mr. Common Sense. I'm not taking from there. Make it read down. I for read down by myself. Since you don't read down already, we'll be able to come together.
Sorry for the dark shade. I just the verse. Senator Natasha Akpabio just do me one thing why just break my heart. Senator Natasha Akpabio has apologized to Senate President Akpabio. It just break my heart. But may I read the apology letter first before we even talk. Think they verse me one kind, but it is what it is. So, satirical apology letter. Before we proceed, quickly run, go check the meaning of satirical if you don't know. From the desk of Senator Natasha Akpabio. Dear distinguished Senate President Akpabio, it is with the deepest sarcasm and utmost theatrical regret that I tender these apology for the grievous crime of possessing dignity and self-respect in your most exalted presence. I have reflected extensively on my unforgivable failure to recognize that legislative success in certain quarters is apparently not earned through merit, but through the ancient art of compliance of the very personal kind. How remiss of me not to understand that my refusal to indulge your request was not merely a personal choice, but a constitutional violation of the unwritten laws of certain men's entitlement. Truly, I must apologize for prioritizing competence over capitulation, vision over vanity, and the people's mandate over private dinners behind closed doors. And I realized the catastrophic consequences of my actions. Legislation delayed, tempers flared, and the tragic bruising of egos so large they require their own postcode. For these disruptions to the natural order of quid pro quo. Quid pro quo is a Latin maxim for something, or this for that. And let's move on. I bow my head in fictional shame. Please find it in your magnanimous heart, somewhere buried deep beneath layers of entitlement, to forgive this stubborn woman with mistaken belief that her seat in the Senate would end through elections, not erection. I remain yours in eternal resistance. Senator Natasha H. Akpabio, unafraid, unbought, and unbroken. Oh God, body so kaya. The mother. To say would they stand rubbish? Oh my God, shit. This is the point where the court will rise, and Natasha has finished it. Unfortunately, Cardinal Akpabio. Cardinal Akpabio, he did wrong. Koko sita erugo dosie de eleke kia kakataka. Cardinal Akpabio de Rome. He did Vatican say they talk. They will read this letter. I swear to God, Akpabio will find it very difficult to comprehend this letter first. If he even rush, they call people say don't apologize. He no go know waiting they right against that. Who does this one? This is the height. Hey? So this Natasha no just God. What a blend. What a miss. Who no get mama me see mama na. Ew. Ayalaka. The real Natasha. God has blessed this country, sha. See the way he finished her. Satirical apology. That one is see Nigerians get mad. Who innovates that word in a Cardinal Akpabio? Cardinal Akpabio. Natasha, for this you have done, I dey owe you small. Send your account. I'll give you small. You have finished work. They just call me for phone say, Natasha, don't apologize. Now I say, Jesus, my heart break. See, this matter is not whether Natasha accused Akpabio. This institution, see, Akpabio has done so much. He has bastardized, insensitively mocked Nigerians. God needed to bring one event that will make us rubbishing. He bring them down to nothing. I posted a picture of Akpabio and the late Ojoku's wife Bianca, and Akonde advised me. You notice, I don't know. And then I noticed that Akpabio has now hired people in WhatsApp. Go and check my comment of that last photo. People are coming to post. They forget to remove the quotation mark, the S mark, where they identify the thing they go they post or where they did for WhatsApp. Go, they are posting it everywhere without brains. If they even hire me for assignment, nobody will tell me what I go post. I know what to write. Without brains, they post everywhere. Bias. God bless you, Natasha. Send me your account. I owe you small thing. Maybe they use call. I'm always call and support this your apology. Your father. They're too small. They're not rich. Akpabio not rich. What worry you? You cry. You cry for this social media. You cry. Post me for your place.
Laugh off, release me. Yo. My people. When I see that kind of apology, how you see him? In fact, Senator Natasha, now Okpoko. If you don't be Benin person, you don't know what your Okpoko mean. Go do your research. Go ask for dictionary. Ask any Benin person, may they tell you what Okpoko, what it mean. No worry. Read comment section. 1 or 2 person go write out for comment section. What Okpoko mean. I want to let Senator Natasha know that I'm proud of you. Anytime, any day. My people, what's our take? Put it on the comment section. I want to hear from you. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.